Hey there! In this set of tutorials, we'll learn how to create intelligent and beautiful forms using Revit's family and conceptual massing environments. We'll begin the process with some basic form creation concepts like making surfaces and extrusions. From there, we'll explore how to easily create more complicated forms using splines, planes, and even points. Once we're comfortable with these basics, we'll then learn how to create smart forms using parameters and even adaptive modeling techniques. By the end of this course, you'll be able to make forms that are totally unique, parametric, and even adaptive. So with that, I'm ready to get started, and I'll see you in the next lesson.